Hey guys, so we got another new drink for you. It's going to be exciting. I got a couple of things coming for you. It's summertime here in the Gorilla's kitchen and, well, pretty much everywhere. But I've got a couple of new things that I've worked out for you. It's America's birthday, baby, right around the corner, 4th of July coming at you. So I came up with a couple of new drinks, red, white, and blue themed. I'm going to call them the Patriot and the Liberty. We're going to do them as martinis today. So I'm going to mix them up each individually for you. Now, I brainstorm a lot. You might call it fever dreams, whatever you call it, the madness, the mad scientist kitchen. Things happen, things come to me. I decided to do this one. It's called the Patriot. It's going to be some Bombay gin. We've got some Arcadia orange vodka from our friends and sponsors at the OHSO Brewery and Distillery. We're going to do a little bit of simple syrup with that one and raspberries. So we're going to have our red, our white, and our blue. It's going to be beautiful. So I'm going to start by mixing this one up here for you guys. Now, sorry for a little bit of the mess and of course the noise, but let's have some fun with this thing. So first, we need to get a little scoop of ice going. Should sound really good on the microphone right now. All right. This out of the way. Now, we're going to go with Arcadia orange vodka. Now, this is actually one of my favorites. If you can't tell, this bottle's running a little bit low, but it's one of those things that happen. So we are actually going to go with a 2-ounce pour of this, unless you're a little less specific than I am, a little less, you know, I'm not a trained hand at all, so it ends up being a little out of control sometimes. And we're going to go with, we'll go with a 2-ounce pour of our Bombay Sapphire gin right here. And of course we have our simple syrup that we did actually with a monk fruit sweetener and a 1-to-1 ratio. We just boiled it down and got our monk fruit sweetener melted down just like you would with sugar. But I'm going to go ahead and we're going to add a couple ounces of that in there for you. Boom. It's going to be beautiful. With this one, I think I might want to, with the Bombay gin, I think the a little bit of lemon juice sounds pretty good to me. We're going to go ahead and add that in. And let's give it a shake, shall we? All right. So, we're going to grab a few raspberries here. We'll drop those into our glass. See if this will come off without making a mess. Hey, success! We'll actually strain this puppy. Perfect measurement. What do we say, guys? Look at that. Beautiful. I'm actually going to garnish this with a little bit of lemon. And is this one cut? It sure is. There we go, guys. So, we have the Patriot ready for you. I'm going to hand this one off to our trusted assistant, Sally. She'll get a great photo of this for you guys. And coming to you live. Let's give it a taste. Tastes like America, baby. That's what it is. Happy birthday, America.